The annual Mobile World Congress trade show is taking place in Barcelona from February 27 to March 2nd this year. After going through a rough patch owing to the COVID pandemic, the much-awaited event is back in full swing with attendees from over 200 countries. With big announcements from mobile giants including OnePlus, Nokia, Xiaomi and many more, there's a lot for tech lovers to look forward to. The OnePlus 11 concept smartphone has been unveiled at the expo. If you're worried about your phone heating up while charging or when you are gaming, you must take a look at this one. The device features an advanced liquid cooling system that the company claims can help reduce its temperature by up to 2.1 degrees Celsius. The Active CryoFlux technology, as it is called, can also bring the temperature of the device down by 1.6 degrees Celsius when it's charging. It is also said to help improve frame rates while gaming by 3 to 4 FPS. The OnePlus 11 concept is modeled on the OnePlus 11 5G, which was launched globally a few weeks ago. The device has a glass unibody and a transparent back. It is said to be equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. So what do you think about this innovative unveil? Tell us in the comments and stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.